We realised pretty quickly that this industry is really wasteful. We saw what waste we were producing and thought there's just got to be a better way to do this. This piece of plastic's about sort of 40 mil thick, weighs probably up to sort of about 25 kilograms, and we would have produced about sort of 9 pairs of orthotics that would come out of that. So what you're doing is actually just cutting it, from the top and the bottom here, and you're actually left with about 3 mils of plastic from it. So the rest of it goes in the bin. Whereas additive manufacturing or 3D printing, you're starting with nothing and you're actually just building it up layer by layer, and the waste generated from that is minuscule. It doesn't compare essentially to the old school way. So when we moved to 3D printing our orthotics, we saw a 95% reduction in plastic waste. But sustainability is about more than just reduction in landfill. What also needs to be taken into account is the raw materials needed to make that plastic waste, the energy used in that production process, the fuel needed to transport it, and the resulting emissions. So when you look at the overall picture, you begin to realise the true scale of the environmental damage we're avoiding. It's something that we're really proud of, and I'm personally very proud of here at iOrthotics, that last year alone we'd saved around 50 tonnes of plastic waste from going to landfill. So at least we can sort of put, our hand on our heart a bit and just say we're doing something with it, and we just want to continue to push ourselves to be better.